Happy birthday, Nana. Happy birthday, Nana.
I love you, Nana.
Love you, Nana.
Today we are celebrating life because today is my mom's birthday, my dearest mommy. She is turning 47 and you guys know that I love her so much, so she doesn't have any idea that we are throwing her a birthday celebration later on. So this is going to be a birthday surprise. She is not here at the countryside, but she is in the city right now. She is working and I know that's how hardworking she is. She wants to work on her birthday. She just thought that this is going to be just a simple birthday dinner, just us, family, but actually it's not. So we have prepared one lechon for her. I also have a gift for her, which is the shoes. I think you guys have seen that on my previous video. Yeah, we are going to try to decorate here in my terrace, and then once she arrives, she's gonna be like, oh, surprise! Syra is here. Say hi. Okay, so yeah, Syra will be my assistant today. She's gonna hold the camera. Honestly, I don't eat pork. I don't know why, I just don't feel like eating pork. So I just eat the skin of the lechon. But my sister is gonna get me some lechon manok or chicken, roasted chicken, because I don't eat pork. And we also prepare some goat. I know that doesn't sound so good, but yeah, we have goat. So we're preparing one lechon, one goat. We have some spaghetti here, and we are gonna have some salad, of course, and some budbud. But first, we're gonna go ahead and try to decorate. Let's go. So over here in the terrace, guys, we have here some people. That's Razel's mom, if you guys can remember. She is helping here. This is my auntie and Irene is there. So they are trying to make the budbud. So this is how we do the budbud, guys. We are using glutinous rice with white sugar, and then we have here banana leaves, of course, and Irene is trying to tie it up, and that is the product over there. So it's not yet cooked. It is about half cooked, I think. Then later on, we're gonna put it in the pan and we should be good. Last year on my mom's birthday, exactly a year ago today, February 20, 2020. So this is my surprise for her. I gave her this motorbike, and this is how it's looking right now. She is there, and actually since it's her 1 year anniversary of this, we have a tradition here in the countryside wherein we have to put some goat blood, so that I don't really know what's the explanation of it, but you know, that's how it is. That's why you guys can see that there are a lot of blood in there. That's goat blood, you guys. That's like a blessing. So here it's got a cross, and then a cross here as well, and then yeah, it was my uncle that was doing it. I did not want to show it to you guys because I feel so sorry for the goat, but yeah, we have goat all over with a motorbike. Over here we have 5 coconuts. These are so fresh, you guys, and I was trying to cut it because we're gonna be having buko salad again. Scarlett, is it good? Scarlett? Just trying to drink the coconut water. Lami. Okay, there you go. And then here at the back of the house, guys, this is where we have the lechon. Actually, I am quite far from the grill, but it's very hot. It's gonna take 3 hours for it to be cooked, just in time that my mom will arrive. I think she's gonna arrive at like 4 p.m. The other day, me and my sister, we went to the city because I had to get some of the decor that we are gonna be using for our mom's birthday. So we have it over here. We have this one that says happy birthday, so we're gonna try to put it up here. Then we have here a lot of balloons. There you go. And then since mom is turning 47, so we have these candles. It says 4 and then 7 over here. I've actually ordered 2-layer cake. So it's gonna be delivered at around 3 p.m. Our pump is not working. Okay, but.
Look at
Okay,
that.
push. No. So it turned out that our pump is not working. So Syra has been doing it manually. How do you do it? Okay, push. I actually don't know how to do it. It was so hard. but she's doing it so good. Scarlett, come on, push, put. Say happy birthday, Nana.
Happy birthday, Nana!
Babalik, ito ni. Babalik na ito. It's not work. Alright guys, so we have this decor.
Wow.
So we are going to put it up. We have this really big table. And I'm going to get some of it. Hindi malas no?
Di, kakalus no. Tawgan man gana na sa nagkuan.
Tada! Ano?
Anatak ka na.
Okay. Tada!
Kalma dai.
We put it in there at 12:30. Right now it's 1:56. So after 1.5 hours, that's how it's looking right now. So actually I am doing this because it is very hot. Like even if I'm so far from the fire, it is super hot right now. We still have about 2 more hours to go for it to be cooked. And yeah, it's looking red now. It looks good. So we're good.
Di ko kumaoy, parihab ay. Yaw.
I am currently doing the salad right now. I'm quite busy. I'm so all over the place. In the front, they're doing the decor, and then I had to do this so that it will be chilled in the fridge. And my sister is still coming. My sister is working today. That's why she is not here yet, but she is on her way. And she's gonna do the spaghetti as well. So yeah, this is how it is. It's like a lot of people are working on something, but quite happy because like always here in the countryside, when there is a celebration or if you're having a celebration, like people would usually go to your home and try to help you whatever it is that you needed help, especially cooking. So that is really quite good. So yeah, this buko salad is always a favorite here, so that's why I keep making buko salad, to be honest, like Christmas, New Year, during the fiesta, especially during Mom's birthday. Okay, so that's good, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and then I'm gonna head to the terrace to work on the decor. We are still not done, and time check, it is 2 p.m. so we still have 2 hours. Mom's gonna be here at like 4 p.m. or 4:30, so good luck. I'm excited.
Happy birthday, Nana. Happy birthday, Nana. Happy birthday, Nana. Happy birthday, Nana.
I love you, Nana.
Love you, Nana.
Love, love.
Love, love.
Okay guys, so Ate Meljean is decorate the balloon because Mommy Helen birthday now. Okay, look at that. Hi!
Hello! We're still decorating for Mommy's birthday. We're almost done.
Okay guys, she's decorating. It's so cool, no? Look at that, guys. So cool. Wow.
So my sister is finally here. Say hi. So what she's doing right now is that she's making a bouquet of roses. This is for Mom. This was given to me by my cousin here, Imari. Thank you so much. So look at that, guys. Really nice, beautiful pink roses. Actually, her cake is also pink, so that's really good. And then I have decorated everything already. So I put balloons, gold and silver all around the terrace. and on the outside as well. Finally, after 3 hours, the lechon is finally cooked. That is how it looks now. So as you guys can see, it looks so yummy, but I only eat the skin for this. Ta-da! So we're gonna chop it up, and then we are ready for mom. She's gonna be here in about half an hour actually. That's done, and then over here they are cooking something as well. This is the goat, by the way. So finally, we are just waiting for mommy now. Everything has been all set. So I'm gonna take you guys inside. How does it look? This is just our humble surprise for mommy. She is so special to me. I'll have a lot of kids in here. Okay, so we are gonna get inside. Excuse me. Okay, so first, this is the entrance of the terrace. So this is where everything is. So as you guys can see, I put balloons all over the terrace. And then this is our little surprise for mommy. She doesn't have any idea that we got this for her. So first we have here a bouquet of roses that is so beautiful. And then here we have one lechon, which is so huge. And then we have here some spaghetti, we have lumpia, we have buko salad, and we have this caldereta. And of course, the cake that says Mommy Helen at 47. And yeah, it's a 2-layer cake, and it's so cute. It says happy birthday. So Mommy is here.
Miljin! Dawata ko sa tapos. Tabi!
Basta na yung mas.
Tabi!
Ayaw sa yung mas. My mommy now, guys, she is turning 47 today, and she doesn't know we got a surprise for her. So, okay, countdown. 1, 2, 3, go!
Ay, lang. Ang Diyos nga. Diyos nga ito. Tungod kay mga anak. Ala. Bless.
Salamat.
Later dong.
Hilak ada piste.
Later.
Sa unang motor.
Later ba?
Salamat kayo, guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ito niya eh.
Malipayong, malipayong, malipayong araw.
Blow! Buwak sa buwak. Daplin buwak, daplin. Daplin.
Pagawas.
Our Lord, Amen. Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, Amen.
Happy eating.
Happy eating!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Mana? So it is eating time now. Surprise mommy.
Dali, dali!
There is the people here sharing the food that we cooked earlier.
Vlogging. Smile. Smile for you open. Smile open ha. Puli ha.
Enjoy!
Ha?
Dadala ko mong cupcake. Wala na yung budin sa...
We're cutting the cake now, guys. It's quite tricky to cut the 2-layer cake. We make sure that everyone will be able to get a piece. So we have to cut it like smaller. There's a lot of kids here. This is how the cut is.
Nipod, wala pa kayo.
So everyone's just gonna get a piece.
Yeesh.
So our surprise for mommy is success. She actually cried, and yeah, I think that's normal because she really did not expect any of it, and I'm quite happy that she is happy. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.